Hi, okay, my name is Billy from Manchester, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
This is the fantastic 2017 Toyota Auris 1.8 litre petrol hybrid automatic with only one previous owner and just over 25,000 miles on the clock. Now, great news, it's a Motor Match approved used vehicle, so it will come with a 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever comes first. If you want to book a test drive, please give us a call on 01244 311 404. Comes in the lovely Denim Blue paintwork, which was an option worth £545. Got LED daytime run lights there, which are going to make you more visible to other road users. Fantastic 17-inch alloy wheels, which are in amazing condition. Same can be said about the tyres and the rest of the car, really. Also got tinted rear windows for a bit of privacy of your rear passengers. Now, moving inside the boot, you will find a very practical amount of space here, with the ability to drop the back seats again for additional room. Making our way inside the interior, you will find you've got the full leather upholstery, decent amount of leg room in the back with a nice armrest and cup holder combination in the middle, and isofix mounting points for children's seats. The car's actually £0 road tax annually, which is good for your running costs. And over to the steering wheel, you will find mounted controls both on the left and the right, so you don't have to move your hands too far to make any changes. And cruise control, which is going to make those long motorway journeys a lot more relaxing for you. In the middle of your two dials, you will find a nice little trip computer here in blue. I'm going to show you your exact miles per hour, along with the miles per gallon and other different facts like that. Over here is the main multimedia screen. Now, it is full colour and touch screen and has access to AM, FM and DAB radio functionality, which therefore gives you an incredible list of radio stations all across the UK. So no matter what you're into, you will find many different stations. And full 3D satellite navigation, which is going to help you get from A to B anywhere in the UK easily. You can also connect your phone via Bluetooth for your own contacts and your own music. And putting the car into reverse will reveal the full colour reverse camera, which makes manoeuvres so much easier in this car. Down below, dual zone temperature controls, so you can have an individual temperature on each side of the car, avoiding any arguments with you and your front passenger. We've also got heated front seats, which pairs perfectly with the leather upholstery. The car comes with full Toyota dealership service history. And at the top there, we will find the panoramic roof, which was an option worth £550.
RAC extended warranties are also available along with flexible finance packages. If you would like to put yourself a test drive in this car, please give us a call on 01244 311 404. You can also inquire online. Thank you very much for watching, and we really do hope to see you here at Manchester very soon. Thank you very much, and goodbye.